In today's video, I'm going to show you how to zoom in on CapCut quickly and easily, whether you're editing on mobile or on PC. This is a super useful effect if you want to create emphasis, make a subject feel closer, highlight an important moment, or just add a little more movement and style to your edits. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more CapCut tips and editing guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your CapCut project and head to the timeline. The very first thing you need to do is select the clip you want to zoom in on. Tap or click the video clip on your editing timeline so it becomes highlighted. This is important because CapCut needs to know exactly which clip you want to adjust before any changes can be made. Once your clip is selected, look for the editing controls. If you're using CapCut on PC, go to the Video tab on the top right of the screen. From there, select Basic. In this section, you'll see the Scale option. This is the setting that controls how large or small your video appears in the frame. To zoom in, simply increase the scale percentage. As you raise the value, the clip will grow larger and the camera view will move closer into the scene. You can usually do this by dragging the slider or typing in a higher number, depending on your version of CapCut. A small increase can give you a subtle zoom, while a bigger increase creates a more dramatic close-up. Take a moment to preview the result and make sure the zoom looks smooth and natural. If needed, you can fine-tune the scale until it looks exactly how you want. On mobile, the process is very similar in principle. After selecting the clip, look for the transform or edit controls and adjust the zoom or scale option until the subject appears closer. If you're trying to create a zoom effect that happens over time, you can also use keyframes to start at a normal scale and then increase the scale later in the clip. That gives you a smooth animated zoom instead of a static close-up. But if your goal is simply to zoom in on one section of the video, increasing the scale is the fastest and easiest method. One helpful tip is to keep an eye on the edges of the frame while zooming in. If you zoom too far, important parts of the video may get cropped out, so always preview the clip after adjusting the scale, and make sure your subject stays centered. If necessary, you can reposition the video slightly to keep the focus where you want it. And that's really all there is to it. Select your clip, go to Video, then Basic on PC, and increase the scale percentage to zoom in on CapCut. It's a simple edit, but it can make a huge difference in how polished and engaging your video looks. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss more easy CapCut tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.